On the Cowboy Maloney Viking Cooking Show, we're celebrating football season by showing tailgating recipes. I'm going to show you pimento and cheese 4 ways. There's nothing that says Southern ball game more than pimento and cheese. And I'm going to show you 4 different ways that you can serve it to your guests. We're going to even pop some on the grill. So I'm going to get that ready first. I'm going to take some sourdough bread, and I'm already pre-made because it's TV, some pimento and cheese here. And then I'm going to show you how to make it. But I'm going to put just a little thin layer on my sourdough bread, top that off. Now I'm going to spray that with a little butter or olive oil, whichever you prefer. And then I just happen to love parsley, so I'm going to put a little bit of parsley on the top of that. Okay, then I'm going to walk on over here and put this on the grill. I've had my grill preheating. It's on low heat. Don't want to leave that on there long. You don't want the cheese running through the grill. Now let's see how to put this pimento and cheese together. There's several different variations of pimento and cheese, but I'm going to show you one that has a little bite with it with jalapenos. I'm going to start with some grated cheese. You can grate your own or buy pre-grated, whatever you prefer. Then I'm going to add a little bit of jalapenos to that, some pimentos to that, a large jar of pimentos. And then I'm going to add a little bit more of the parsley, a little bit of mayonnaise. Now what I do is I love this low-fat olive oil mayonnaise. So I'm going to put half my mayonnaise regular and then half this. And that's all you do, and then mix that up. Okay, let me go back over here and check on our sandwich that's grilling. Going to flip this. Toasted perfect. Oh, it's going to be good. All right, all you do when you just mix this up, and then there are several ways that you can serve this pimento and cheese to your guests at your tailgating event or even at the ball game. You can serve it in the phyllo shells and just top it with a little tomato. You can stuff celery with it. And then here I stuffed several different colors of peppers and use it as a dip with crackers. So you've got pimento and cheese. Let's pull this one off. It should be toasted. You see, it just takes a couple of minutes. Look at this. Toasted, perfect for your ball game. We're going to cut this in half and lay it out for your guests, and it smells wonderful. Hey, Bobby, come on over here. I've got Bobby from Ward Seasoning here today. Bobby, I want you to taste one of these pimento cheese, and you tell me what you think. Just
all right.
What do you think about that?
That's great.
Okay, set them out at the ball game.